Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX ended flat today, marginally gaining 8.27 points or 0.16% and settled at 5,092 points. Market turnover was 5.04 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is an increase of 11.58% compared to the previous trading day. Square Pharmaceuticals and Beximco Pharmaceuticals from the pharmaceutical sector, Olympic from the food and allied sector, and Summit Power from the fuel and power sector mainly pulled the market up today. On the other hand, National Bank, Al Arafa Islami Bank, and BRAC Bank from the banking sector, and Grameen Phone from the telecommunications sector mainly dragged the market down today, keeping it flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the IT sector posted the highest gain of 2.02%, while the textile sector registered the second highest gain of 1.00%. On the other hand, the NBFI sector posted the highest loss of 2.53% today. 5 industrial and 4 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers today. First Finance, Deshbandhu Polymer, and Anwar Galvanizing registered the highest gain, while Stylecraft Limited, Far Chemical Industries, and Nurani Dyeing and Sweater were the top losers today. Deshbandhu Polymer rose in value today as there was no price limit on the trading of shares due to their corporate declaration. Stylecraft fell due to being demoted to the Z category, and stockbrokers and merchant bankers are instructed not to provide loan facility to purchase securities of the company. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price change of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Anwar Galvanizing, Agrani Insurance Co., and National Bank increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news: the Bangladesh Bank has requested approval from the Finance Ministry to ease the existing shareholding restrictions for digital banks. Under the proposed changes, individual or joint shareholders could hold more than 10% of a bank's shares and exceed the current 5% ownership limit. The Banking Companies Act already allows the central bank, with government consultation, to grant exemptions from these limits. If approved, the move could attract stronger investors and accelerate the growth of the country's emerging digital banking ecosystem. Yields on long-term Bangladesh government treasury bonds, BGTBs, surged on Tuesday as banks remained cautious about parking their excess liquidity in government securities, opting instead for tighter portfolio management. Auction data shows that the cutoff yield on 15-year bonds climbed to 10.08% from 9.67%, while the 20-year bond saw a jump to 10.30% from 9.70%. Despite the rise in yields, the government successfully mobilized 20 billion Bangladeshi takas through these bond issuances to help finance its budget deficit, a move that reflects both the cost and necessity of sustaining fiscal balance. That's all for today. Thank you.